Thank you very much. My name is Ignacio Arteaga. I'm a lawyer from Chile. I am one of the partners of the law firm, the Chilean law firm, Arteaga Gorziglia, which is based in Santiago. Well, today we're going to talk about the renewable energy power sector in Chile and its challenges and the opportunities that we have in this sector. First of all, let me make a brief introduction to my law firm, Arteaga Gorziglia, which is a law firm specialized in counseling local and foreign companies in business law and regulatory matters. Our core areas of business is corporate and commercial law, tax law, regulatory and environmental law, as well as dispute resolution. Our aim as a law firm is to provide our clients with a high quality, very personalized and timely and efficient professional service with a clear understanding of their businesses and aim to add value by solving their specific needs. So we are structured in these four areas: corporate, tax, regulatory, and litigation. We have more than 20 lawyers. We started our firm 13 years ago, and we are focused in certain specific industries like energy, infrastructure, natural resources, and retail, manufacturing, and telecommunications. Our lawyers are among the top lawyers and top graduates of the best law schools in Chile, with postgraduate studies in the most prestigious law schools and universities in the United States and in the UK. We encourage an internal organization that allows our lawyers to achieve their highest professional and personal fulfillment. We do believe in human and professional development in an equilibrium. We do believe in commitment, in development expertise, and in long-term relationships with our clients. Among our clients in the energy sector, I would mention some of them because maybe we share some clients as well. So one of them is the Spanish company Acciona Energía. The other one is Mainstream Renewable Power, ENGIE, Sun Power, Global Power Generation, GPG, that belongs to Naturgy, AES Gener, Uriel, Sanco, Total, and some other local big energy companies like Saesa, like Colbún, like Arauco. Well, I would like to focus this couple of minutes, a brief presentation on what has happened in the renewable sector in Chile. It has been a real and a massive booming. If we compare the current situation with the last 10 years. In 2010, the average generation in Chile was 60,000 gigawatt hour. And that system at that time was mainly hydropower plants and thermal power plants based on coal, diesel, and gas, natural gas, with just 5% of renewables, mainly and only wind. The installed capacity at that time, 10 years ago, was 15,000 megawatts. 10,000 corresponded to thermal power plants, installed capacity, and 5,000 to hydropower plants. And the renewables were represented just by wind, and it was just 160 megawatts. In year 2005, the renewable installed capacity was just 3% of the total system. In year 2015, it was 11% of the total installed capacity. And in year 2019, last year, it went up to 48% of the total installed capacity. So in just 5 years, the percentage of installed capacity of renewables went from 11% to 48%. In fact, last month, 61% of the total generation of the month of October 2020 was based in renewables. So this is to show you how is the introduction of this kind of technologies in Chile. Why in Chile? Because we have a very good wind blowing from the Ocean Pacific to the Andes Mountains, all along the Chilean coast. And we do have very good radiation in the north of Chile. We have the desert, the Atacama Desert. So what happened with the prices? In year 2012, the average price for the electricity was 131 US dollar per megawatt hour. In 2017, the price went down due to renewables to $32 per megawatt hour. So in these 5 years, the prices fell more than 75%. And these prices are official prices based on international bidding processes carrying out here in Chile. Also, 10 years ago, the market in the generation, in the electricity sector, the generation, we had just 4 big players with 100% of the market. Today, we do have more than 274 companies generating electricity in Chile. These big 4 that had 100%, now they represent just 60 something percent. So that's in the generation segment. In the transmission segment, we had just one player, Transelec. Today, 10 years ago, and today we have 4 big players. So it's more competitive. And in the distribution sector, well, we have these public concessions for the concessionary distribution companies, which used to have 2 businesses at the same time, the distribution business and the trading business. This year, we enacted a law, and the distribution companies, which has the monopoly in a certain area, can no longer continue offering and acting as a trader in energy. They can only now rent the use of the distribution lines. Today, the total installed capacity of the Chilean electricity system is more than 25,000 megawatt. 10 years ago, it was just 15,000 megawatts installed. And the official figure estimates that in the next 10 years, we will increase that dramatically. Why this happened? Not only because the construction and operating cost has fell down worldwide, but also because Chile has been in the forefront of the liberalization of the energy sector. We were the first country in the world to privatize the electricity sector and introduce free market criteria in this sector. This was in 1982, many years ago. And also in 2008, we enacted a law establishing the objective to have 10% of whole generation to be based in renewables. In 2013, we increased that percentage from 10% to 20% to get that percentage in year 2025. We have fulfilled this percentage by far. Today, what are the current challenges that the energy sector is having here in Chile? First, Chile has assumed the obligation in international treaties to become carbon neutral by year 2050. So we are enacting a new law establishing that as internal regulation. We and the government is fostering the development of green hydrogen. We are removing coal-fired power plants, which is very important for us, and that plays a big challenge to the regulation because we need more flexibility in the market, in the system, to incorporate more renewable energy due to the ramp ups that happens when the sun goes down and the wind stop blowing. And now, right now, we are, it is under discussion how we are going to continue making payments to companies based on installed capacity, and also how we're going to pay for complementary services to help the system to be more secure and to operate efficiently. And we have created the new electricity players. Um, for you to have in mind regarding opportunities in Chile, due to the radiation in the north, we have 70 times Chilean annual energy demand as a potential for new uh, generation projects based in renewables. So we will be, in the short term, an exporter of electricity and also an exporter of hydrogen, green hydrogen. Um, the government has some estimations that Chile will be we will be producing at the lowest price, the lowest cost in the world, and they estimate in 1.3 US dollar per kilogram the hydrogen based in the in green in turn. Um, well, another challenge and opportunity is we need to expand the transmission lines. We need to invest more in that. We had a change in the law about 2 years ago, and now it's not the market, it's the authority that defines a mandatory expansion of transmission, and it calls for international bidding processes to construct and operate new transmission lines and transmission systems. This is done every year. Last year, these bidding processes considered an investment or in different projects for transmission for more than 400 million US dollars. And another good opportunity is that last month, the authority launched a international bidding process to construct and operate a transmission line of 1,700 kilometers long, with an estimated investment of 1,200 million US dollars. This is transmission lines in HVDC that will goes from the very north of Chile near Peru down to the central part of the country, where is the capital city, Santiago, where is the demand for this energy. And well, just to terminate this brief presentation is to tell you that we have been, as a law firm, Arteaga, Gorziglia, in the forefront, in the front edge of this booming in renewables. We have been acting as legal advice for more than 20% of all renewable energy projects currently operating in Chile. In all legal aspects involved, such as EPC contracts, PPA contracts, development agreements, regulatory matters, environmental approvals, and all those things. So, well, I think that it's very good to share this information with you and to see if we can look for some opportunities to do some things in this very exciting and booming sector. Thank you very much.